Hi, I had to make a second video because I ran out of time. I apologize, you guys, but I wanted to just kind of finish up something surprising that I've learned about myself, and I think I might have said this in the other video a little bit, but I've been wanting to try this idea for a while in my classroom, and I think I've learned more about myself, and it's actually given me confidence. I'm getting excited about making this project happen and being bold and trying something new. I feel like I have a better attitude about leadership. I feel like I have a much better understanding about leadership. I also think that I understand a lot more about traits and how important they are, especially the ones that I have that I feel that I can develop to be stronger. I know that I'm relationship oriented. I'm most of the time task oriented. It is definitely something that I have worked on in myself over the years. I believe in personal development. It's something that I've experienced before as far as developing in other areas outside of education. And so I'm a big believer in that. I actually think that's helped me a lot in the past 10 to 15 years. Also, I do feel like I have some discernment. Maybe it's a little bit of skepticism, but I feel like it's served me well. I also know that I can be a little bit stubborn, but that can be a good thing as long as you use it in the right way and you're not, having a negative impact on other people. And in all of that, I do try to be humble and I do try to care about other people and think about their feelings too. And emotionally speaking, as a leader, you have to kind of have your own emotions in check, as well as kind of be good at reading other people. And I feel like those are things that will serve me well going through with this project. Also, humor. I always try to make my students laugh. And I think you need to be a little lighthearted about some of this too. Humor helps with a lot of the other traits that you may have. And it's not necessarily a leadership trait, but it does matter. Happiness, it's been proven, makes people feel better, less stress. It makes the environment better. So I think that that's important. So the bottom line is I want to have fun. I want my fellow teachers to have fun. And I want my students to have fun. And if being able to do one project-based lesson in kindergarten can be successful, and if I can get the kids to move a little bit and get some results as far as their skills go, I would consider giving some type of a post-assessment to have maybe concrete numbers or evidence as to how they did. In addition, I was also thinking that it would be good to include, if you're allowed to, film and videotape the kids working on projects and kind of just really documenting the whole process. I see that as part of being my plan too. You, of course, would have to deal with getting parents okay and on things like that. But I think that's where we need to be going, as long as they trust that you're going to handle those things carefully. And to close, if all of this works out well and we get some positive results from it, I would like to present it to the rest of the staff in a staff meeting and encourage them and challenge them to try something like this within their own grade level and hopefully get the support from my administrator. So those are my ideas. That's my plan. And I'm a big believer in trying things that are new. So I'm hoping that this is something that will happen in this next school year, and I'm going to go for it. So I look forward to watching your videos too. And thank you for watching.